Hello, it's Danielle from parentingandpapercrafts.com, a blog where motherhood and card making intersect. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy and quick card for you using the Dare to Be Artsy circle background die. It's a beautiful die, it's pretty intricate, so when using it I recommend running it through your die cut machine multiple times, as you'll see me do in the video, or better yet, use a precision plate. And you just use that as part of your sandwich when you're running it through your die cut machine. I probably would have preferred to do that, but I didn't think of it as at the time that I was putting the card together. So today's video, I thought I'd just talk through the process up front and then leave you to watch the rest as I put the card together. So you see that I'm going to start by using my ink blending technique. I'm using Pretty Colors Distress Oxide inks. I ink blend the color onto the white cardstock. I'm going to follow by activating the ink with water, then I absorb the water using a paper towel. That's a process that I think you'd be familiar with because you've seen it on other channels and multiple crafters use it. You have the option of air drying the card panel, but I use a heating tool to speed up the drying process. I run the panel through the die cut machine using the circle background die multiple times, and as I mentioned earlier, in retrospect, it would have been easier to use a precision plate. So just keep that in mind. As you'll see shortly, I finish off the card by adding a black card panel layer. I leave about 1/8 of an inch border on all sides. I adhere the rest of the card panels and add Nuvo drops to embellish. And that's pretty much it. So I'll let you take a look at the rest of my process video. I hope you enjoy. I want to thank you in advance for watching. If you like what you see, if you enjoy the video, you enjoy my process, please like the video. That lets me know I'm doing all right and it's appreciated. Leave me a comment too. It's always fun to read your thoughts. And again, it's always appreciated. And finally, go ahead and subscribe. It's of no cost to you, and it's supporting me in my endeavors as I build as a content creator on YouTube. So I appreciate that support as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.